It's cold season, and here are 3 remedies from my Taiwanese mom on how to soothe a sore throat.
Congee helps fuel the body and is easy to swallow since it consists of white rice, bone broth, and ginger. Add some shiitake mushrooms and green onions for added flavor. If you grew up in a Chinese or Taiwanese household, you know the brand Jiom Cacao. It is the go-to herbal cough syrup that everyone drank growing up, and it tastes like honey and menthol to soothe your throat. Acupuncture is a common practice within traditional Chinese medicine. These very thin needles apply pressure to your body to increase energy, promote healing, reduce toxins in the body, and more.
So let me know in the comments, which remedy would you try at home?